insane, bro. Discord was tripping. I'm gonna go idle way over here. Yep. Jesus Christ, your bike is so loud, bro. See, all of this is moving that way. Bro, there's something about the sound of two crossplanes going down the interstate. They're literally harmonizing. Oh, bro, it feels so good. Like I'm not gonna sweat my ass off right now. Oh yeah, I think we'll be fine, bro. If anything, we just gas station hop the whole way back, you know. There used to be a hell of a bump right here. See, this one right here, and then there used to be one right here, but I think they fixed the one that's like right over here, because I think it was like to my right there. Yeah, see, it was right here. Oh, they fixed it. Hell yeah. Oh god, they didn't fix that though. Oh my gosh, they got their kid in the front seat, bro. Did you see that, bro? They had their kid in the front seat. Like no car seat or nothing, bro. I pulled a muscle in my arm, scratching my back. Dadgummit. Howie. When you have to scratch your back. I have an itchy spot. Oh, that sucks. Then your clothing is so thick. I'm having such a blast right now for no reason, bro. Yeah, he likes it, bro. Oh, the harmonization, bro. I know you can hear it. What's up, brother? I'm just gonna scooch on in here. What's up, brother? Say cheese. Brother!
What's up, brother?
That's going in a compilation full of people just going, brother! What? Oh yeah, you got that BBL back there, bro. He said that. That's his joke. Laugh at him. To a woman so heartless.
Put a bot in there.
How could you be so heartless? Here we go, round 2 of Call of Duty game chat. Oh.
Sock shoes again.
It do no wrong. There we go. I know. Wheelies. My. Make sure. You can travel the world. Oh, the wrong pop. Easy. Oh, who had the pop? And the R7 puts us all down. Bro, everybody's just vibing to Katy Perry right now, bro. They were looking like, what the f? These sparky things are so fun, bro. Oh, f, I lost him. I lost my sparky things. Supermotos! She said, do you love me? I told her only partly. What are you doing? Oh. Hey, yo! Hey! Pass vibe check. Bro, my horn's not working. Bro, my horn quit working. What? Oh, there it went. Hold on, bro. Like, that's cool and all, but why does it stink so bad? Bro, smell it. I want you to smell it. Please just smell it, because this... Can you take off my glove so I can do this?
Somebody got it.
Bruh. Is that the Grim Reaper? Hey, my guy said, Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Water. Oh, fancy pants. Parking over there, huh? No? The flames. Oh yeah.